G'day guys, I want to introduce to you the All for Adventure cooker. Now this thing has revolutionised the camping industry because I'll tell you what, it is the easiest thing if you want to cook bulk meals with your family, or you got a heap of blokes and you're out on a fishing trip. Check this out, we're going to cook up a tasty meal real quick. Now this is a chicken pad thai curry. Bit of oil in the bottom and away we go. The beauty of this thing is it can handle a little bit of breeze. You don't have to sort of cover it around. It actually handles that breeze quite well. Everything can be cooked in it. That's it. You cook it all in this, all right? The thing you'll notice is it also comes with this clear glass lid, which makes it perfect to keep the heat in there and make things cook faster. And I'll tell you what, like this is gonna feed a horde. On goes the lid. Look at that. And we sit and we wait. So there you go, guys. If you want to cook a meal for the masses out in the bush, the All for Adventure Camp Cooker cooks it evenly and gives you a tasty meal in no time. You can find this product at your nearest BCF store.